Trying H Mart Food Part 1.
This is what I've been waiting for. Hold on. Sweet potato right there, and regular potato right there. It's half cheese at the top and half hot dog at the bottom. Aaliyah, a sweet potato person. I'm regular potato. See how it tastes. This is what I've been waiting for.
Is cheese at top?
I think cheese at the top or bottom.
Here, cheers.
Cheers.
This is
Yeah,
big.
this is big. No diddy. Y'all know the Glizzy King.
Oh, the sweet potato is so good. Oh my god. It's so good. It's really good. You like it?
Sweet.
Let me try potato. Okay, quick.
That's a Aaliyah cheese ball.
What is this? Potato on the inside? Oh, is this like breading?
It's ready.
Ready?
Sweet potato. I'm scared.
Sweet potato tastes better. I might be biased. Sweet potato's better. Right? It's more flavor.
I'm gonna have to rate the sweet potato high. I'm not even a sweet potato, but it's 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah,
Regular
yeah.
potato, 8 out of 10. Yeah, regular potato, 8 out of 10. Sweet potato, 8.5. What's your rating?